So you just playing on it, man. What you think about it?
It's great. I like the feel.
Yeah.
The feel of it,
So do you think it was worth the wait for all of the upgrades that they did? You know an artist, you done played them all, you been doing the thing.
Yeah.
What are your honest thoughts? No cap, no gas. What you think about the newer Oregon 3?
It's a little bit more.
And now here's the true test.
Uh-oh, yeah, let's see.
Here's the true test.
What's the truth? Hit us with it, Real.
The true test is the scanner.
Yep.
Ready?
Yeah, we're ready. Let's see.
Yeah.
I'm also honored because I had the privilege of helping to kind of develop this North Oregon.
Wow.
So to see a lot of the things that I was requesting actually being put into play and show up, it's awesome, and they really executed, man. This Oregon's crazy, man. I don't know what to say, man.
Okay, question.
Yeah.
You walk in the building, you got to play a gig.
Yeah.
There's a North Oregon right there, and then there's another one from another company that starts with an H. Which one you sitting down at after playing on North Oregon?
Oh, man.
Give it a buck.
This video is sponsored by Loop Elements Pro. Make all your loops great again and do it with 10% off at the checkout. Enter the coupon code that's down in the description and in the comment section. All right.
Yo, so I'm over here at the North booth. North Oregon 3, North Piano 6. These are the two things that they just dropped. We're gonna do what we've been doing all day, going over here, getting opinions from different people, regular people. We ain't talking to the reps. I might talk to a few endorsed artists because we got like Mike B, we got like Kevin Powell, we got a couple of like real endorsed artists, so I'm gonna have some conversations with them. But I wanna talk to some regular people and get their opinion on the North Oregon 3 and the North Piano 6. Let's go get to these interviews. So again, we over here at the North booth. I got my man Kevin. He was just playing on the North Oregon 3. So you just playing on it, man. What you think about it?
It's great, man. It's warm.
Yeah.
I like the feel.
Yeah.
The feel of it, and I like the upgrade basically.
You like the upgrade? You think it's what? Did you ever mess with the C2? Did?
Yeah, I got the C2.
Okay.
I have the C2.
Yeah.
So the C2 is, it's close to the C2D, but
Yeah.
I'm just a North fanatic, so man,
I
I just love them. So,
Yeah. So do you think it was worth the wait for all of the upgrades that they did?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
For it's gonna give you the different feel for gospel,
Yep.
contemporary, whatever. Yeah.
Yeah. I love that. Okay. I'm just getting honest people's opinions because, like when you talk to people that are like endorsed artists and all that stuff like that, you get a little colored opinion.
Yes, sir.
But if you just talk to a regular person, it's like, hey, what do you really think about it? Like, give me the honest, like no
Right.
gas, no cap. What do you think about it? So that's why I'm doing this. I just want to give people like a really like
Yes, sir.
clean perspective on it. But I appreciate you giving me your
Yes, sir.
insight, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
All right, so we over here, North booth. I got my man, 100 gram, Chandler Williams. That's a great last name, by the way. Yo, so want to ask your honest opinion, man. You played the North Oregon 3. Did you play the Piano 6?
Yes.
Okay, but you played the Oregon.
Oregon.
All right, honest opinion, no cap, no gas. What you think about the North Oregon 3?
I'm rocking with it. I don't know if the feet were connected to it,
Yeah.
but the touch and having the drawbars, having the Leslie switch. I got a stage 4 at home,
Okay.
and I get by with that Nord too, and it has a great sound,
Yeah.
great touch. But man, that's a pretty good. I mean, ain't nothing like the real thing, but Nord is
Yeah.
pretty close.
It's pretty close.
Yeah,
So you think you're rocking with it?
I'm rocking with it. If
So-
I had it like that,
Okay, question.
Yeah.
You walk in the building,
uh-huh.
you got to play a gig.
Yeah.
There's a North Oregon right there, and then there's another one from another company that starts with an H. Which one you sitting down at after playing on North Oregon?
Oh man.
Give it a buck. They both hooked up to the same Leslie.
Right. So I mean, all I know is the North one. So
Okay.
so far, I would give the other folks a chance, but so far the North North's got it for me. Yeah.
That's fair.
Yeah,
That's fair.
yeah.
That's fair. Man, I appreciate your opinion, man. Keep locking us in, man. Enjoy now. All right, so I'm over here in North. I got the Deacon, Kevin Powell. He is here. We got Ghost Notes behind us,
Oh my God.
giving us the business. I'm gonna try my best to get through this interview, but I want to get this content to you guys. So I'm gonna ask Kevin the number one question we've been asking everybody all day long. Nord Oregon 3. What you think, Rev?
Wow. That's
Wow.
all I got to say. Listen, there's no other organ on the market, digital organ on the market that is better than the Nord organ. I'm telling y'all. I'm also honored because I had the privilege of helping to kind of develop this Nord organ.
Wow.
So to see a lot of the things that I was requesting actually being put into play and show up, it's awesome, and they really executed, man. This organ's crazy, man. I don't know what to say, man.
So what was that? What was that relationship like working with them? Like, how did that work? Like, would they just like ask you? Was it interviews? Was it? I mean, how did they lock that in?
No, we talked about it. I think we did a Zoom call some years ago, and the head of Nord and all the VPs were like, in the office. It was like during COVID.
Yeah.
But we talked, and I think other people had input on it, like Mike B and a couple other people. And we just, we told them what we wanted to hear and what we wanted to see as far as, if they're going to make another organ.
Yeah.
And so far they have executed. And they still feel like they have room for improvement, which is crazy. So, I love that. So the organ is dope.
So I know there's some people that's gonna be like, well, he's an endorsed artist, all of that stuff. He helped develop it. Of course, he's kind of biased towards it. Yada yada yada. What do you say to that, man?
Hey, if I didn't like it, I would tell them, and they know I would tell them to their face that I don't like it. You know what I'm saying? There's other stuff on the market right now that I personally don't like.
Yeah.
Just because they didn't spend enough time executing.
Yeah.
And that's what I love about Nord. Before I even was ever signed with Nord, I was drawn to Nord because of their spirit of execution.
Yeah.
It's just crazy how they know how to simulate different sounds and different things about every instrument. It's crazy. I mean, it's amazing. So I've been in love with Nord for years, Wow. I just happened to, meet the right people at the right time and get an endorsement. But listen, I'm telling y'all now, this is not even a biased opinion. The Nord organ is the best thing on the market right now. I'm telling y'all.
Well, KP said it. That's the benediction. We're gonna let him have it on that. You heard it from him. Check it out. It's kind of crazy. I'm not even gonna hold you. So we're gonna get back. We're gonna enjoy Ghost Notes because
they up.
So, we'll tap back in with you.
Let's go, man.
I'm asking everybody, Glenn, about this new Nord Oregon 3.
Okay.
Like, we got to figure out what it is. Everybody's talking about, we've been waiting on the C2D. What was it, like 5 years in between this drop, right?
Around there.
So, you Nord artists, you done played them all. You've been doing the thing.
Yeah.
What are your honest thoughts? No cap, no gas. What you think about the Nord Oregon 3?
It's a little bit more. It's more authentic.
Okay.
The sound is more authentic.
Okay.
And the way it feels, it's a little bit more better than the C2D.
Really? So they gave it better on feel?
So they gave it better on feel, and also it's more features on there.
Yeah.
And you're able to really feel the music more so in there. So
Wow.
yeah, I would have to say, bro, it's definitely
worth the wait.
Worth the wait.
Okay, so they did the new pedal board.
Yeah.
What you think about the new pedal board?
I think the new pedal board is really good. It's more structure, it's more stationary, and it's good.
Like, I like that they got the bigger screen.
Yes, sir. You can
Better
see
view.
everything because the other screen really couldn't see it because it was
Exactly.
light. But this screen, you're able to turn the brightness up and down. It's really good.
Oh yeah, that's dope.
It's really good.
That's dope. Leslie?
If you got the components, absolutely. And it could go with a Leslie and it smacks.
But without the Leslie.
Without the Leslie, it's still good. That was without the Leslie.
Really?
That was direct. So without the Leslie, you kind of set.
Okay. Honest reaction. Glenn Gibson, you heard it here. He gave you the situation.
You gotta get it. You gotta get it.
He said you gotta get it.
You
So
gotta get it.
we're gonna tap in with some more folks to see what they think about the Nord Oregon
Yes, sir.
3. Yo,
Yes, sir.
rock with
Yes,
it.
sir.
I got my man Sheriden, so we can't hear it, of course, because they ain't got to play it out. You know, it's all headphones. But I'm gonna let Sheriden tell you what he thinks about it. What you think about it, Rev?
It's cool to feel. You would expect it to feel like the North stage. I mean, not the North stage, too. The C2D.
Yeah, the C2D.
You would expect it to feel like the C2D, but already it feels different. The
So-
action on it is a little different. I don't know if I like that yet or not.
But you think it's just a new, like, break-in type
Yeah,
vibe?
it might
You
be
know what I'm
just that
saying?
I'm getting it broken. This panel is bigger. I like that. It's
Yeah.
not as
Yeah.
compact.
And then the screen, that's what I was
the
looking
screen
at,
is
like,
bigger too. This is gonna be one of those deep dive.
yeah, we definitely have to do a deep dive.
But I'm telling you, man, this is actually making me want to get one now.
Really? But no, these are the same pedals. They didn't change the pedal board.
No, they changed them.
This is, yeah, that's what I was saying. This is
Yeah.
a different pedal board. What you think about that?
Even though this organ is sitting like way low,
Yeah.
too low, I'm
Right,
banging.
right.
These pedals are cool. I have the Hammond version of these,
Yeah,
but the newer feel, they're flatter, so your foot kind of stays on there.
yeah,
They're not as, and again, this could be a wear and tear thing,
exactly.
but they're tight, so you're
Yeah.
not like
Yeah.
at risk of moving them around too much.
You don't feel like you got to take your shoes off.
Right. I haven't yet.
You know, you in the real organ, so you take your shoes off.
Man, listen.
You know?
But as far as sound, the Leslie is better. They said they did better with the Leslie, and it is better.
Wow.
Oh yeah, this is cold. And now here's the true test.
Uh-oh, yeah, let's see.
Here's the true test.
What's the truth? Hit us with it, Rev.
The true test is the scanner.
Yep. The C3, B3.
Are we ready?
Yeah, we ready. Let's see.
Oh yeah. It's
He said
giving
yeah.
C2D. It's giving
Giving
C2D. On the
C2D.
scanner. With the C2D scanner is crazy.
Exactly,
It's
exactly.
fire. So
You hearing any improvements or it's just there?
yep. It sounds so much better as an organ. It sounds better than the C2D.
Well, we're gonna have to take his word from no gas. Like Sheriden, if he says it's dope, it's dope.
Nah, this joint is fire.
That's fire, bro. I'm definitely gonna have to try to get my hands on one of those. So this is crazy.
It's better. It's better than the C2D for sure. It's definitely, it sounds better. It feels better. This bigger panel,
Yeah.
bigger screen,
Worth the wait?
effects. Yeah, worth the wait? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. They missed the golden opportunity to sell these out during COVID.
Yeah.
God bless Nord, but they did a good job though.
Yeah.
They did a good job taking their time on this, and there is an appreciation for the fact that they didn't let people rush them.
That's
They
true.
wanted to get the product good. So
For real. Yeah.
if they put this organ in the rest of their products, they in trouble.
Yeah.
They might want to keep this organ here and just give them the C2D organ
Yeah.
in the rest of the products. Because it sounds great, man. It sounds great. It feels great,
Yeah.
for sure.
Well, we definitely gonna try to get our hands on one for the channel to check out. So appreciate you guys checking out. We're gonna keep vibing out. Yeah, so as you can see, it's really, really dope. Most of the opinions on it are like Nord Organ 3 is fire. Go check it out. That's all I got for you on this video. It's been fun talking to regular people out here at Namm 2025. So I appreciate you guys for watching. I'll talk to you guys on the next one. I'm out. Holla at your boy.